First family hiking. No, that's not the first time, Veronica. We went together before, Sky. Whew. Family hiking time. Whew. Sky, ou pas fatigué? No? Ou fatigué? You tired? Nope. Ou pas comprendre créole là? Peut-être ou pas comprendre? Yeah, we're going up to the mountain. Whew. Sky, you not hot? You wanna take off your jacket?
You want to take a 20-second break?
You wanna take a break? No? Mba connais New York tegi bagay sa ou. Mba c'est seulement. Ouh. Of course I'm tired. That's so high. Oh, no mettez-la l'air. Sky, stay. Honey, she's following you.
That's the top.
Dad, we should get a dog. So.
I gotta pass the brush.
So kanya pwale na sudlo sa
Look at Toro, Sky. Look.
Oh, hola people.
Sky.
Cheese.
Run this way. Sweet. Look at the mountain, Sky. That's where you're going, Sky. Go to the other way, Sky.
Sky a produit.
No, Sky. The other way. Hold on, the other way. Sky is going to have an accident.
Yeah.
This thing is too big. Go to the other way, Sky. The other way, mommy.
Sky we go fi aksida moun la. Sky ka produit. We go fi aksida moun la, no?
Leave it that way, Sky.